Gibraltar, que serán
Sí,
dos
pues,
viajes,
sí.
serán 2 horas más o menos en un coche. 2 horas para Gibraltar.
Más o menos, probably, sí.
No, catarro tenemos desde que salimos de allá.
Hola, Juana.
Desde que salimos de la casa,
We're back again.
tenemos catarro, Miguel y yo.
Paul, hi Paul, we're back again. Back on the train. We got front seats this time.
Miguel y yo.
Front seats this time. So, we've just been down lovely little beach dinner. Can't see the screen now, but hi Shelley, Ryan, Trey, hang on, who's that? I can't see the screen very well. We're here in Nerja. Is it Teresa? There we go, I got it that time. Who else is it? Let's put the screen this way. I can hopefully read it then. No. Richie. I'm trying to read all the names here, but it's not what coming out right. Well, if I missed you, I'm sorry, but yeah. Tracy, Billy. Yeah, we went to the case, but I couldn't film inside because we didn't get no signal. As soon as I went in, the signal went. Still interested in pub? Alright, Paul, yeah. Can't wait to come out in Feb. Yeah, we're not in Benidorm at the moment, but we're in Nerja. This is the little, just at the seafront here. Lovely little beach in front. That's up through the street where we just come down earlier. Caves are absolutely amazing. The caves are amazing. Lovely little beach as well. So there's Nancy. She's got her photo. Yeah, she's got her photo of us in the caves here. What's the temp? Well, now it's warmer. It's probably 25. It's absolutely amazing here. It's still. Nancy's talking to her sister in Cuba. But there's no breeze. It's just perfect. An amazing day. Summer. Hi, big balls. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. As you can see, we're gonna head back now, and I'm gonna sit in the sun for a few hours, see if I can get a bit of a tan. Because I need to get some sun on my body. We're going to be heading back up on this little train, so we're going to be live on the train going home. We're going back to the car. Hi Claire. Yeah. I say, if you've never been to Nerja before, it's worth going, especially the caves. It's absolutely amazing, the caves there. There's the driver. Hi Shireen. How's the pregnancy going? Hopefully okay. Hasta luego. Just saying goodbye to Nancy's sister in Cuba. Sí, hermosa. Nancy se ve hermosa. Tuvo Resca. Resaca. Tuvo resaca. Tuvo resaca.
Tuve resaca. De que borrachera, no, yo no drinky. Yo no drinky.
No, she's not been drinking, she says. Remind me of Eileen Wuornos. I thought it was more like Whoopi Goldberg. Or Tina Turner. Pregnancy going very well. Oh, only 5 weeks. Alright. Good. She says I'm going to be as black as her after today, I think. So it looks like not got so many going back anyway. fairly empty going back. It's the last bus today, or the last train.
Ya está a arrancar.
Here we go. I think he's ringing the bell. So we've got front seats this time. So let's see what it's like going back. Oh, Dom's back. Hi, Dom. Am I messing up your sleep pattern? Dom? Yeah, mira. Hang on. ¿Tú viste this?
No se ve nada por el sol.
No, we can't see anything because of the sun, she's saying. I agree, I can't see the screen now. Just came back from Torremolinos. Oh, we'll be going past there. 20 and 2 all sunny all week. Yeah, we're going past Torremolinos. I will be trying to go live for some of it if I can. We're definitely going to call into Benalmádena, but we're trying. Because it's all on the way, yeah. Benalmádena. Benalmádena. Yeah, we are having a good time, yeah. Feels like we're on holiday. We've got the police escort for the Guardia Civil. Oh, there's a hostel Mar Sol. Nice little hostel there. Hostel is bed and breakfast, by the way. Looks nice. If you're going to stay down here, have a look out for the hotels. Yeah, it is nice to have a break. Sweet Casa, Sweet House. That's the Sweet House there, Dulce Casa. There's a big hotel just here, an RUI. Can't see the number. Oh, it's RUI. RIU, sorry. RIU. Toboso Apartments, yeah. The beach is just down the other side of this. It's a lovely little place, isn't it? It's very pretty here. RIU, yeah. That's where you were. Oh, right, there you go. Just past it. It's lovely here, isn't it? Look at it. They're like little castles, these, some of these places. There's the coast. So, your husband was born in Berea. All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Yep. Go. Oh. Ramps. Yeah. Oh. Where are we to here now? Oh, it's got lots of mountains and all up here. Look. See the sea back over that way. That's beautiful, it is. Been well worth it. I mean, a couple of days is enough here, so we're going to go back and get some sun. Country, we're in Spain, and this is Andalusia, I think. Andalusia, see? So, yeah. Costa Brava. No? Costa del Sol. Of course it is Costa del Sol. I should remember that. We're in the Costa del Sol. Whoops, we're both going back to the car. Melly, we're heading back to the car. We're on one of these trains. This is a bumpier road. We've been to the caves and that's where we're heading to now. The car is up there. Look, there's a boat on the roundabout there. They're on the car park. Is that the Arc? The Dorada. Sí. Hi, David. Yeah, we're doing well. You Felice?
Sí, yes. Hey. Hockey, hockey, hockey. Hockey, hockey.
Nancy's happy. That's the main thing. As long as she's happy, I'm happy. Thanks for sharing, Rashid. I don't know what we're going to see it coming up here. I've never. All these bumps, I've never come this way before. I don't know if we came down through here, did we? I can't remember now. It goes fast, yeah. No. Don't know what that is there. Oh, it's posh roundabout. No chill here today. Warm, very warm. There's Hostel La Ermita. There's the there's the Balcon de Nerja. Oh, I looked at those apartments actually. They said about the Sun Terrace. They've got a Sun Terrace up there, look. I did look at those apartments, but they said parking, that was the problem. There was no private parking. And looking at the town, I think parking nearby was going to be a problem, so I went for a hotel that had parking. That's the main reason we went for it. Breakfast was very nice. It was a typical continental breakfast where you had scrambled egg, well, more like an omelette. We had the typical Spanish bacon, but it was nice, actually very nice, and little hot dogs. You had cereal, you had yogurts, you had bread, toast, croissants, little cakes, all sorts of proper, typical international breakfast, I should say. Oh, there's Hostel San Miguel just there. There's that little garden area that we saw earlier. Yeah, breakfast, you could eat loads. They had fruit. You had as much coffee and tea as you wanted, cappuccino. It was very good. Alright, it wasn't an English breakfast, but I mean, I've had enough of them. I can get enough of them in Cuba. In Benidorm. So yeah, see, it's quite nice with all these trees up through here. Hi Steph, how are you? We're on a little one of these trains pulling in here. So I didn't want to press pulls. I got bumped around. I didn't intend to press pulls then. I wanted to do this one. See us. Juntos. They'll be going past the hotel that we're staying in soon. Juntos Locos.
The Locos.
Hiya Susan. I think that's you. I can't see. I can see the picture. It is Susan. Yes, I recognise your picture there. Susan D. Hey, hola. Hey. Looks like someone's been arrested or something, or being arrested there. You got your key. I've got 3 keys now. Oh yeah, I got to post that video. Nancy got us locked out on the first night. Nancy got us locked out of the hotel first night, she did.
You still local?
This person here, she came out the door after I did, and the door shut,
You're very crazy.
and then we had to go and get another key from the reception. Oh yeah, yeah. Within half an hour of being there. God, bumpy. You commented a few times, but comments are too fast. You're okay. Oh, good. Steph, that's good. Yep, sorry. I got these bumps to stop with. Crazy Nancy, I know. Yeah, it was only in the place half an hour, and we had to go and get. We got locked out of the room. Residencia Verano Azules, Blue Sun, Blue Summer. This urbanization. Blue Summer. Thank you. We're in Nerja, Susan. We've just come. We went to the caves, and this train was outside, and we thought, oh, we'll jump on it and go for a ride. And that's what we've done. So it was only €4, and actually he only charged for one of us, so we got paid €4 for the both of us, which was okay. That's returned, so we're now heading back up to pick the car up in the car park of the hi Craig and Jay. Oh, God. If I don't see your chat, a bumpy ride as it is. Looking nice, it's beautiful, guys. Yeah. We're going to go past our hotel in a minute, or soon. I'll get off and I'll let Nancy go and pick the car up. Yo, sal here for the hotel to traer la coche.
No, yo no sé cómo.
Hey?
Ojalá.
To traer la coche.
No.
To conducir el carrito. No.
Carrito sí, pero coche no.
Even the supermarkets look posh here, look. You've got posh entrances. That's the Carrefour. Yeah. Anyone for tennis? And there's the bowling rink that we passed earlier. It's right next to our hotel, actually. We've got a Mercadona right next to us. There's the Mercadona. So, we've got a lovely view from the hotel. Oops. That's where Nancy disappeared to last night. And here's our hotel just here. This is our hotel. Oh, look. This is our hotel just here, look. This is where we're staying, Hotel Los Arcos. Our room is just up there. The other side of where it says, well, that's our room behind where it says Los Arcos there. So, it's a nice little place, nice little garden as well. And you'll see how far away it is from the caves as well, so we're headed that way to get the car. The caves are. What's that? Craig and Jay. It was all good, yeah. But that's the Royal Palm Hotel there. It's closed at the moment, right? There's a view from up this end now. It's very beautiful down here, I've got to admit. When we came down the first time, we only went to the caves. We didn't actually come down to the town. So it's the first time we've actually been into the town. It's very Moroccan looking. Very Arabic. No, it's not cold. It's about, it's going to be 24, I would have thought at least. I'm getting good from guessing. That's 24 in the shade. When you're in the sun, it feels like 30. We've got this little place here that I saw that when we came down. Look at Jesus on the cross and everything there. Like a little shrine. The caves are just up here. Just up in Montsisla. That's where we're heading to. I can't read all the comments. Hopefully I'm catching everybody, but I can't. Oops. Plenty of trees, yeah. That's the view we got from our hotel, basically. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Can't see any things. There, yeah, the weather is lovely. So, Benidorm TikTok guide, we're actually showing the Benidorm TikTok guide goes on holiday. If you live in Benidorm, when you go on holiday, it's a good place to look at things. You can see where we go, it's lovely down here as well. We're heading down to Malaga, Marbella, Benalmádena, Fuengirola. Not in that order, actually. Torremolinos is up there as well. Right on the hill there, yeah. There's some lovely coastline along here. The airport's not far from here as well, Almeria. We passed that on the way and nearly got hit by an aeroplane. Well, it felt like it was quite close to us. It goes right, the road goes right underneath the flight path. They're growing under here. It's like apples or something, I think. I'm not sure. I'll try and see the such as una hora espera in the restaurant cafeteria. There's an old bridge down there. They grow wherever they can get a bit of land that somebody's growing something down there. You wouldn't think stuff would grow without water, but they must get water from the mountains because the mountains spring water all the time. There's no rain. And that was probably some lands that we had to the airport close to, well, we passed Almeria, that, I suppose, yeah, a while ago. Didn't feel that long ago, but just heading up to the caves. There's Maro, a place called Maro here, or Maru, I should say, probably Maru. No, Maro. The caves are just up there. There's the caves. There's the cafe. Saludos desde Tampa. Tampa. Ah. Is that Tampa, Florida? Is it Tampa? Yeah. Cuban. Ah. There's a Cubanita over here as well. There's my wife. She's from Cuba. Gente a Cuba. Still there. Yep, the car is still there. So we're just entering the caves. This is the car park, the main car park for the caves. Good afternoon, Tracy. Was it Tracy or wait? No, can't see. Just on the trees there. Yeah. Yeah, we're we're heading back to the hotel now, and I'm gonna get some sun. The sun is just on the sunbeds now. Well, it has been nearly all the time, but there's the entrance to the caves just there. That building there. Oops. And the caves are just back here, underneath that ground. Massive there. Right. That's it. I know we'll be saddled, sir. Ooh, right. Right, that's it. Gracias. Okay.
Hasta luego.
Alright, that's it. Only here, just missed everything. Well, it'll be on YouTube. How much is it on there? Well, it was €4, but it was supposed to be €4 each, I think. But that's what we've just been on. The Cueva de Nerja sightseeing. But the caves were, if you buy it online, it's €12. It's $13.95 if you buy it the thing. But I was a bit too late, so we paid the full price. But if you buy your tickets beforehand, it's €12. But it's well worth going to see. The caves are spectacular, which I've took video of all of them. Loads of videos, so keep a lookout. I shall post all of it up on YouTube. And I shall post bits, as much of it as I can, on TikTok as well. Like I say, the camera doesn't do it justice. Nancy's in a hurry as always. Where does it go? It goes down to the seafront. Like I say, if you watch the videos, we've already did the video from there down to the seafront. And then the beach and everything. And then we've come back on the bus, on the train. Yep. Nancy wants to go to the pub. No, well, we've got some drink in the fridge. She bought that. She come back from the Mercadona last night with some beer and got that out drinking. So bought some big liter bottles of beer. But yeah, it's very nice up here. So we're just heading back to the car. Yeah, catch you later. Susan, I know that's your picture. I'm used to that one now. She's really walking on, isn't she? Okay. You know, I'm going to head back and get some sun. Try and get some brown bits on my body. Because I didn't get time to do it during the thing. Oh, here's the Casa de Artistas. They missed out the other letter, the 4 letters in between. I expect there should be a P-I-S-S in there somewhere, shouldn't there? Would be if it was on our gate. Casa de Artistas. I'm going to screenshot that and change that. That sun is really hot though. Nancy's definitely in a hurry to get back to the hotel. So, time to relax, get some sun. Don't know what we're going to, I think we're going to be going for a wander this evening, she said, up our end. She's already inquired about a nightclub or something, but there's no nightclubs in our area. So, looks like it's just supermarkets and restaurants. So, where are you? We are in Nerja. We're at the caves of Nerja at the moment, but we've just come up on the train from the city, because we are city of Nerja, the town of Nerja. But here we go. Cueva de Nerja, says on that sign there. This is the entrance to it. The sea is just down in front there, and it's a beautiful day, as you can see. Parking's only €2 there. We paid €1 in the one where we are. Well, €1.25 I gave him. Cueva de Nerja. I didn't realise that this is what I parked before with the motorhome. And we used to come down here. Oh look, she's sitting in the sun. Demasiado sol para ti. No? She's tired, her feet are ardent. There is Nigel, it's square like Bonanza. Alright. We're leaving tomorrow. Narca was on TV the other day. It is nice here. I mean, it's not like Benidorm, obviously. It's got some lovely picturesque areas. Tu tieni la llave? No tengo la llave. Yo no sé. Oh, perdido. I think I've lost the key. Huh. Yep, jam on first, there we go. Yeah, we've only used less than half a tank of fuel actually. We've used less than half a tank. She's desperate to get in. So, right. And guess what? I did all that sticking the other day. Got high on the glue, sticking the headlining back up. I come out in the car yesterday to go away, and what's happened? I spent all that money on that glue and it's not worked. Anybody know how to stick headlinings up? Because our headlining had it all stuck up.
Oh my god.
And it's down again. So it's not very good. Yes, we're trying to have a great time. I got high, that was the only thing that happened with the glue. The smell of the glue sticking it up. I thought it looked good this time. Anyway. Oh, she's got her drink. That's what she was after. Sí, yo quiero poco agua. Alright. No, we haven't been in the car for ages. You're right, Callum. Right, we'll say cheerio, guys. We'll catch up with you either later or tomorrow. I don't know what, like I say, what time we'll be down Gibraltar. If we get to Gibraltar tomorrow, we might not get there tomorrow, but we got a few days, so I haven't booked any. I'm going to sort that out later. Eh? See, okay. Right. Stable gun it. Yeah, I think that's the only thing. I think I'm going to put some strips or something to just hold it up. It's a pain in the ass because I've stuck it up 3 times now. 3 times. Yeah, we'll do. We'll see you later, guys. We'll catch up with you soon. Yep. Right. Hasta luego. Muchas gracias.
Hasta luego. Muchas gracias.
We will.
Thank you very much.
We'll go and get some sun now. Time's at 15:32, so you might get a couple of hours before the sun goes. Yep. See you soon. No, she's going to go sleep, she says. Velcro. Yeah, I thought about that as well. Okay, then. See you soon. Have a great afternoon, and we'll catch up with you later or tomorrow. Bye for now. We're heading to Gibraltar and lots of different places, so keep a lookout for us. Bye for now.